Hello everybody, welcome back to another edition of the TeSys Tera Training. I'm your host, Leandro Mada, and in this video what we're going to see is how we can reset a trip using the front button that we have on the TeSys Tera Main Control Unit. That is basically the reset button. Okay, so let's go to the presentation. Okay, so let's just move myself there. Okay, so as you know, we have in the front of the TeSys Tera the reset button. Okay, you can see in these 4 main control units, this one at the moment is not available, which is for the Profinet, but for the Ethernet, Modbus, and Profibus, is available, okay, for you to do it. So basically, in order to reset button, to make the reset trip, what we need is to press on the reset button for less than 3 seconds in order to perform this action. Okay, so and it's important to release the button before the 3 seconds, otherwise you can probably go into another step that's going to be the self-test of the unit. Okay, that goes between the 3 seconds and 15 seconds, so we need to be careful how long we press this. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to show you how to reset it. I have already an application working here, so I'm going to connect to the unit, and just to show you that I have already on the trip state. And I'm going to show you on the demo. Just wait for it to load. Okay, so here, my dashboard, here you can see I have a trip. I have this one ready. Okay, so you know that I have already a trip on this device. So what I'm going to do now is to show you the camera there. Okay, so I'm not sure you can see it there, but let's just move myself here. You can see I have one trip and the other one. So what I'm going to do now is to touch this one here, okay, next to the red light that indicated I have a trip. I'm going to press it, quickly press it, okay, and then you should be able to see on the screen that the tree just went off. Okay, there we go. So now if I run it again, okay, it should be running until I got the trip again, in theory, based on the parameter I just put on over here. It should trip. There we go. So we trip it again, the same fault trip, and then I'm going to reset it, and there we go, back again, and I should put it back on run. Okay, this has a different configuration, but I just want to show you that it works, it does what it needs to do, and it's working fine. Okay, so reset trip. If you have the trip red light there on the trip alarm, then you should have a trip, and depending on the trip you should be able to reset it. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I see you on the next one.